Title: Grudge, the lingering shadow of resentment. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word grudge. A grudge is a noun that describes a persistent feeling of resentment or ill will held against someone due to a past offense or wrongdoing. It signifies the lingering shadow of negative emotions. Pronunciation: pronouncing grudge is simple, ɡrʌdʒ, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, holding a grudge can poison relationships and hinder personal growth, as it keeps negative emotions alive. Importance: understanding and addressing grudges is essential for fostering healthy relationships and emotional well-being, as they can be a barrier to forgiveness and reconciliation. Conclusion: in summary, grudge is a word that represents the burden of unresolved resentment and the importance of addressing and letting go of negative emotions. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, recognize the significance of releasing grudges to promote emotional health and harmonious relationships.